Children were back in school yesterday for the start of the third quarter for the school year. It started on a high note for both schools with the presentation of books from oceanofbooks.org, a non-profit organization that provides books to schools in the Pacific. Honourable Olaf Jacobson was at Niue Primary School yesterday to present this generous gift on behalf of government.
2,500 books have been donated, and half of those books will go to Niue High School Library. The other half of those books have been presented here today at Niue Primary, and that will go into their school library as well, so the children will have access to it. I also believe that Jeff Evans have made further contributions for adult reading for the public library, and that's coming later. But I'd also like to say thank you to Reef, the shipping company, that have so very generously offered to bring the books to Niue for free. They've shipped it up for us for free, and I'll be forever grateful to them for their services and contributions as well. So without those kind of assistance from people, Niue would be without the books, and I guess for us, we can show our appreciation by looking after these books. And some of these books are very much loved books, because these are books that are donated by children from their own homes and given to the schools, and are actually put together so that people like Jeff can collect them and move them on to other children who will learn from them. And his name is Jeff Evans. He's a writer and photographer. Between him and Fuli Pereira, who's a curator at the Auckland Museum, they've set up now what they call an oceanofbooks.org organization that collects books for children in the Pacific. Now, Jeff is a very dear friend of Taumawhai and Carmen Fuhiniu. Jeff met Taumawhai when he was doing his Waka exhibition in Auckland in the year 2000. And so they've kept their friendship, and in 2008 he came up to Niue, but he also came up again as photographer and writer to film the Niue Arts Festival that was held here. At that time he recognized the need for the children here and how keen the children here were to read books, so he thought he would make this generous contribution. And it was just timely that I happened to have been in New Zealand at the time, and I had accepted these books on behalf of the government of Niue for the children of Niue. So I'm truly grateful that we have friends of Niue that are able to make such contributions, and it is my desire that the children do look after the books and look after them well.
This is not the first time that Mr. Evans has presented such gifts for the schools. He also donated a digital camera for the art department of Niue High School. His close association with the island is due to a close friendship with Taumawhai Fuhiniu, and the next generous donation will be 6 boxes of books for the Niue National Public Library, expected on the next boat.